We're Ganas Manufacturing, and we specialize in architectural millwork, metalwork, and custom furniture. Everyone is looking for a way to kind of create like a unique, inviting, space, whether it's cabinets or tables or millwork. I think we've kind of like found a good niche for ourselves on helping people like bring those dreams to reality. We've been in business for about 6.5 years now. All of our CAD engineering is done in-house. I'm big on investing in technology and want us to find a healthy balance between, shop personnel versus, our CAD department. Fusion 360 as like a modeling software was kind of like a huge, step for us. And then with adding the CNC equipment and also the nesting and manufacturing suite, I think it's just really allowed us to streamline our manufacturing process and make changes quickly and efficiently and, make more money on projects.
We would not be able to do what we do without Fusion's nesting software. It's really increased our efficiency for sheet goods. We can now, with the CNC and with Fusion nesting, we can nest parts inside of curves. If we have an outer square with an inside cutout, smaller parts nest inside of larger parts, and it's just really increased productivity and efficiency. With it all being cloud-based, it's really made it a lot simpler for us, where even if someone just happens to be out that day, like I can go in and check their files, or someone else can. If we're both working on the same project but different aspects of the project, if someone's already figured something out, like we can have a quick meeting on it and you can be like, well, check my file.
We're saving money on materials, we're cutting it more efficiently, it's cut more accurately. I think it's helpful too, like we can show up to a job site with the laptop and open up a 3D model and be like, this is what it looks like, these are the details we're thinking. Fusion 360 allows us to work directly with architects, interior designers, and clients.